Good morning, guys. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about finding slope from an ordered pair. Here we have a set of ordered pairs. Now, what are some things that we know about ordered pairs? Right? Or what is the thing we know about ordered pairs? We know that they are written as x, comma, y. Now, yesterday we talked about finding slope from a table. So I want to take that, what we talked about yesterday, and apply that to this. Because with these ordered pairs, we can make this into a table, right? And we kind of talked about that during functions and all of that. So I'm going to make a table, x, y, I'm going to put these ordered pairs into this table. So I have 2, 1, 6, and 9. Now when I do that, I know I can either highlight or I can draw these little lines that show that those are the numbers that are together, that I'm subtracting. So just like yesterday, our formula, y minus y over x minus x. So 1 minus 9. Remember, you have to put parentheses. Divided by 2 minus 6. Now, when I put that in my calculator, I do get an answer of 2. My slope, or my m, is 2. Now let's plot that. Let's plot those points. Okay, 2, 1, and 6, 9. 6, 9. Now don't laugh. I do not have a ruler to make this straight, so I'm going to make it as straight as I can. I'm going to connect these two dots. Not too bad. Okay. So when I connect those two dots, I make my line that has a slope of 2. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Okay. So again, I have my ordered pairs here. I'm now going to make my table. So x, y, okay. And then I'm just going to put my ordered pairs into this table. -2 and 7, 3 and 2. I like doing the table because it's easy for us to go up and down, to see how these are the numbers that connect. I can highlight this. I can draw these little arrows that show that those are together. All different things. And so that's why I like putting this into a table. Also because when we're doing the same thing over and over, it becomes habit and we start understanding the y's and the x's better. Okay, so let's put that into our formula. I have 7 minus 2 divided by -2 minus 3. When you put that into the calculator, you get an answer of -1. Okay, let's plot the points. -2, 7, so -2, up to 7, and 3, 2. Over 3, up 2. Okay, again, I'm going to do my best to connect these lines, or connect these dots into a straight line. Ooh, that one was pretty good. Okay. And this brings up an interesting point. Okay. Remember yesterday we watched Slope Dude. I know we're all like, ugh, but a little corny, but hey, it works. It helps us remember. So yesterday we had the puff puff positive, nice negative. This is 0 fun and undefined. Okay, this is a positive slope, a negative slope, 0 slope, and then undefined. So what I want you to notice is if I look at this slope, I know what I can see is that it starts high and it goes low. So if you look at this, the slope mountain, same thing. It starts high and it goes low, right? This line looks like this one. Now I know that's a negative slope. Look at my answer. My answer is indeed a negative number. So that is something to check yourself when you're plotting the points and you're drawing your line. If this shows a negative slope, then this number here has to be a negative number. Okay? Okay, so that is one way that you can solve these problems, finding slope from an ordered pair. Again, I suggest putting it into a table. Make sure that you ask questions if you are still unsure of what to do.